Slow lift, easy now. Keep it coming back.
Clear on the left side, boss.
All right, hold it there.
Significant corrosion noted on panel 4RB.
Confirmed. Logging as critical wear.
Check the pressure reading right here.
Looks nominal.
I'll log that
now.
Check the pressure reading right here.
Looks nominal.
I'll log that
now.
Systems check complete, all green on this side.
All right, locking the HUD in place. Pass me the torque wrench, please.
Hold it steady, just a little lower.
Clear on this side, keep coming down.
Watch the connection point, easy.
Hydraulic connection secure, pressure holding steady at 20,000 psi.
Confirmed. T-minus 2 minutes to spin up.
Ignition sequence start.
We have light off, climbing to idle.
Watch the clearance on your side. Looks good, keep coming down slowly. Easy now, easy.
Torque set to specification.
Confirmed. Safety pins installed.
Little to the left, steady, we're almost there.
Roger, she's lining up now.
Okay, slowly now. Watch the alignment on your side.
Looks good. Raise the jack slightly.
Confirmed.
Lowering sequence initiated.
Hold steady, slight adjustment on the port side.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed to lock.
Green metrics across the board for the rudders.
Affirmative. Moving to ailerons now.
Aft right, slow and steady.
Copy that. Moving starboard slowly.
Looks good on this side, keep coming down.
Hold it there, coming up slow. All right, she's seated. Roger that. Installing safety pins. Hold it there, coming up slow. All right, she's seated. Roger that. Installing safety pins.
Phantom 52, taxiing to runway 28, request VFR departure.
Tower, Phantom 1, 5-mile initial, 1,500. Roger, runway 27, clear for the overhead brake, altimeter 29092.
Glide slope localized alive. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Congratulations on the successful flight.
It's an honor, sir. The plane handled perfectly.
That coupling looks secure. No leaks on the hydraulics?
All right, noted.
Checklist complete for this section. The telemetry on axis 10 confirms stability.
Right.
Readouts match the validation parameters perfectly.
Looks like we have a successful flight profile.
Scissor lift is clear on the right.
Understood. Let's get these stanchions locked down and secure the ropes.
Your meticulous work on this aircraft represents the very best of our technical capabilities.
By the authority vested in me, I present this key, symbolizing the completion of an outstanding restoration.
Yeah.
We are incredibly proud of the work we've done on this F4 Phantom. The camouflage you see here is accurate to its service in the late 70s.